He plays in a band, he plays all over the place, and he's going to be here in October. So right up here is Rick Triplett. And while they're setting up, my third thing here is, because I've been married 26 years, 27 come up in 4 days. 26, what did I say? 27, it's just I want to spend so much time with you here. I'm trying to add years. Anyways, my wife is actually on the soundboard. I threw her on that. She's never done the soundboard, she's been doing all these years, so now she said, well, I know something was good when I walked over there after my set. I went to go touch a level, she hit my hand. I don't think I'll ever get the soundboard back. Thanks, honey, for helping out. I keep talking, you keep adjusting all you want. Let's get it.
No, I'm good.
You're good? All right.
We'll make it work.
All right.
Okay.
Now tell us about your guitar, what you're saying.
It's just an old Heritage, been played to death. I pulled it out after I put her away for 5-6 years, and I got to missing it. But how about a little Southern Rain, Doc tune.